Hi, class. Happy Monday. Welcome to the ninth week. I just wanted to do a little check-in with you. You are already on your way working on the beginning of your research assignment, your research essay. This research essay, like I've said in other videos, is built in two parts. It's the project first. I like to think of the project as being bite-sized pieces toward your essay. And the second part is, of course, your essay, the thesis statement that goes with it, the rough draft, the essay itself, the works cited. Hopefully, you're getting information from my videos and from all of the stuff that I've been putting on the modules. I just wanted to look at a few things and answer a couple of questions that I've gotten. And so I'm going to do that. Going to just share the Fresno City College website. For your summary and response assignments, you're going to have six of them. You have a few due, two due a week pretty much. So make sure that you're getting those in on time. I don't take lates on those because I am reading quite a few of them. And I'm going to go to the library when you've decided on your topic for your research essay. You looked at the broad topics that I gave you in the modules page. If you haven't yet, please look at the modules page. It's really helpful. Spend some time clicking around on all the links that are available to you. You go down and look at the modules page. Under brainstorming a topic, it gives you all of the different topics that you can click on. Each of these topics is going to take you to a library webpage or a page that's chosen by me that can be helpful in your research. This is why I've given you specific choices for the topics. So each one of these, if you click on it, it'll take you to a link to the actual web page that's created under SIRS in the databases. This goes over all sorts of information that's helpful. I'm not going to go over this because there's an entire video where I do go over it. So once you've chosen from these topics, one of your topics for your research essay, you're only choosing one of them. This is just a choice for you to make. So if you've chosen, for example, homelessness, housing insecurity on the local, state, and national level, that's going to be the essay, the subject, the topic that you're going to be working on for your research essay. It also is going to be the topic that you use for all of your summary and responses. So your summary and responses, basically, you're just going to the library, you're looking at those specific articles that are on that topic. For example, here, you're going to look at all of these different options. There's six that are already, this is fast fashion. There's six that are already there for you that give a specific viewpoint. If you click on that right below it, it's going to send you to 749 articles on this database alone about fast fashion. So you can click around and kind of look and see. It also tells you what kind of article it is. It might be a newspaper article. It might be an article from a scholarly journal like this one is. There are many other kinds of sources on here. You're going to read your article, and you're going to cite it, create a citation at the top of your summary and response. You're going to read it, write a short summary of the article, and then you're going to respond to the article. So you're going to talk about all of the questions that I've given you on the sample and the example page on the modules. So it's already set up with questions for you to ask if you don't know what to ask of it. Then you're going to turn that in. That's a summary and response for this article. For summary and response number 2, you're going to do much the same thing. You're going to start with an article from your topic, fast fashion. It's just going to be a different article. You're going to read it, cite it, summarize it, and then you're going to quote from it and respond to it. Those are the summary and responses that I want you to do. So just to clarify, you are choosing one topic for your summary and responses and the same exact topic for your research essay that'll be due in a few weeks. So you're building all of your research for the research assignment. And that should be helpful because it's easier to do bite-sized pieces with this, to get in the kind of mode of researching and know where to look. So I've already set you up with all of the links that you're going to need for your summary and responses and your research essay. You can go outside of that and use articles from other research databases. There are quite a few. My other video on that is up on modules. You can kind of look and see how I do my research for this assignment. So that's it. That's what I wanted to talk to you about. If you have questions, let me know. All right, I'll see you guys later. Have a really great day. Have a good week.